26-foot stacker trailer by Look Cargo. This is the Premier model. We put the upgraded stone guard on it, the extended tongue. You got a power jack on it, 10,000 pound power jack. Semi screwless exterior, 0.050 metal, so you get the thickest metal you can get on there. Spread axles, torsion axles, 3 7,000 pound axles, brakes on all 4 wheels. All LED lights. You got your backup lights as well. Your nice deluxe handle for the back door. Did this with a pull-out step. It's got a 60-inch side door, double door. Base cabinets as well as overhead cabinets. Then LED lights. Spare tire compartment in the floor. And then right here's your motor for the lift system in the jack. Four-post lift in here. Four-foot lights in the ceiling. Get your 36-inch flip-up ramps for the back door. A nice little loft above the cabinets up front. Panel box for the electrical package. Another battery, power cable. Yeah, that's 26 foot long. 11-foot interior, I believe.